Okay, I got a deal this week that we ended up getting done. Here was the problem. This comes up all the time. Client was turned on by the lender because the strata docs gave some cause for concern around some assessments, different things like that. I'm hearing this all the time on the ground when I talk to realtors. Um, know this: every single strata document that gets sent into a lender has to be viewed, regardless of if they've asked for it. And so, what a lot of mortgage brokers do is that they just take the Dropbox package that they've been given and just press forward to the lender. It's a huge mistake because if there's anything even negative in the minutes, that deal's completely went sideways. The vast majority of lenders, banks, small lenders, ask for very little documentation around strata. They may ask for the Form B, but many of them don't even ask for the Form B. Many of them ask for a couple, the last 2 minutes. Like this, these are all things that are asked for, and there's not very much asked for at all. So it doesn't mean that we wouldn't want to disclose or discuss the client if we had some major issue with the building. But we're talking about very simple issues where um, people just don't know the results. Like maybe it's um, they're talking. One time we had people talking about doing a special assessment was caused a problem with another broker and lender, but there was no special assessment that exists. So these are all things that are on the up and up that we just need to be careful on. So what is the key on fixing this? First of all, a mortgage broker you work with has to know how to handle strata properties. It means that when you get a deal, we only send on a need to know basis the lender one Form B, one, two sets of minutes. And also, if there's any issues in what you're sending, we need to be able to address those up front. We just had one today, two special assessments. And so they're actually not a big deal as long as we know what the special assessments are. So if you have a deal that's getting turned down because the strata documents were turned down, let us have a crack at it. Another kind of bonus thing to say here is that sometimes what we get is people say, oh my gosh, the insurer, CMHC, SEG, and kind of guarantee turned down. Give it to me. Give us a crack at it because we can call those insurers and we might not be able to reverse the decision, but we can find out if it's really been red flagged a lot. So if you're having strata problems, if you have any property, you're offering on any property whatsoever as a strata property and you're not sure what that broker is doing, don't risk it. Give us a shot on the deal. If we can help with anything, please reach out to us. We'd be pleased to give you a hand on any deals, any clients you have.